What's up guys, I'm going to be taking you all through the basic crochet stitches so we can familiarize ourselves with them. For this tutorial I'll be using the 1mm tail hook, which we mostly use in Ghana anyways, but any other hook size too is fine. And for the yarn I'll be using this acrylic yarn in the color red. Okay, so let's just get into it. I'm going to start with a slip knot. Tie your yarn in a knot like so and insert your hook in the loop formed. Tighten your yarn like so, and now you're ready to start with our chain stitch. So use your hook to wrap around your yarn and pull through the loop. Wrap around again and pull through. That's the basics of chain stitching. So I'm going to be doing about 10 chain stitches. So just wrap around the yarn and just pull through the loop, that's all. Yeah, so this is how mine turned, 10 chain stitches. Now we are going to continue with our single crochet stitch. Put your hook through your immediate chain stitch, wrap around your yarn and pull through the loop. So that's the basic single crochet stitch. Put your hook in the next chain stitch, wrap around your yarn and pull through the loop. Put your hook in the next one, wrap around your yarn and pull through again. Just keep going till your entire row is formed. Okay, so we are moving on to the double crochet stitch. First use your hook to wrap around the yarn like so. Put them into your immediate stitch, wrap around your yarn and pull through to make 3. Now pull through to make 2 and then pull through again to have a single loop. Repeat the process for the rest of the row. So there you have it, your basic double crochet stitch.